So we have an organization, and our target groups audience are the persons living with disability in society, that is, in schools and community. We do case finding because of early detection. When disabilities are detected early, you see there's a possibility of a high degree of recovery. But when you allow disability to worsen, when children grow with disability, some of them grow with a lot of deformity that requires surgery. But early detection, you have a little or no surgery, which can be corrected with some manipulation and physiotherapy treatment. So with the issue of disability, we do lifestyle modification, because the people who started disability issues during the time of polio and tuberculosis, they address disability with what we call charity model. What do I mean by charity model? That when you gather the people living with disability, they expect that you give them one thing or the other to go home. But presently, we address them with both the conventional model, the traditional medical approach, and the social model, and other professional model. There's a lot of models now which we use to approach the issues of people living with disability. We teach them something like skill acquisition, so that they can learn something on their own and reduce their level of dependency. Look at the issue of accessibility. Now, because of advocacy and sensitization, government and private business owners are now making assets, their buildings accessible, their structure accessible to people, for people living with disability. Like in Ugoja, we have a St. Stephen Special Education Center. They have the staircase, and they have the other ramp that you can go with wheelchair or other mobility aids. So you talk about the politics. So what we are talking about disability is disability inclusive in education, inclusive in social life, inclusive in family decision, even employment. So these people, if we train them, they can still do well. And look at the Nigerian population. The people living with disability are included in the population. So if we neglect these people, you see that the population is large, but the people living with disability who are actively doing things are less than the population. So we are appealing to the society, to the NGOs, both local and international NGOs, even philanthropies. Like the last World Disabled Day, we presented 2 tricycles in addition to other small mobility aids. Now, handicaps, people living with disability can move within the society. Look at the common braille. I visited some schools in Cross River State and other states. The common braille that they're supposed to use, they are not there. So what we are asking is that this issue of people living with disability is a serious matter. As far as Nigeria is concerned, we need to address the issue of people living with disability. We need to give them attention, because nobody is 100% disabled. If the hand is disabled, then we can develop the brain, develop the legs. Even in sports, they are doing well in the Western world. So thank you so much, and I would like to work with whoever that is interested in the issue of people living with disability, because nobody is able. With the temporary able people, you see them yesterday, you can see them able, today you see them being disabled. So it's a serious matter. Thank you.